Maintaining a clean keyboard is essential for hygiene and functionality, especially in our increasingly digital world. Dust, crumbs, and debris can accumulate quickly, affecting performance and leading to potential issues. Keyboard vacuum cleaners are specifically designed to tackle these messes, making cleaning easy and efficient. Number 1. Mini USB Vacuum Cleaner. The Mini USB Vacuum Cleaner is a versatile tool designed for cleaning keyboards, desktops, and other small electronic devices. Its compact size makes it easy to store and carry, while its USB-powered functionality allows you to use it anywhere there's a USB port. This mini vacuum is equipped with a powerful motor that effectively sucks up dust and debris, making it an ideal companion for anyone who spends long hours at a computer. Its sleek design is not only aesthetically pleasing but also ergonomically shaped for comfortable use. The Mini USB Vacuum Cleaner comes with multiple attachments, including a brush and nozzle, enabling it to reach tight spaces and clean different surfaces effectively. Whether you're dealing with crumbs from your morning snack or the buildup of dust from daily use, this vacuum is up to the task. It's a must-have gadget for anyone looking to keep their workspace tidy and organized. Key features: USB-powered, compatible with laptops, power banks, and wall adapters, making it versatile and portable. Compact design, lightweight and easy to store, perfect for small spaces. Multiple attachments, comes with brush and nozzle attachments for targeted cleaning. Powerful suction, effectively removes dirt and debris from keyboards and other electronics. User-friendly, simple operation with one-button control for effortless cleaning. Number 2. Mikiko Mini Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. The Mikiko Mini Handheld Vacuum Cleaner is designed for efficient cleaning of small electronic devices, including keyboards, laptops, and car interiors. With a sleek and modern design, this vacuum not only looks good but also delivers powerful performance. It features a high-speed motor that provides strong suction, making it easy to pick up crumbs, hair, and dust from any surface. This handheld vacuum is powered by a rechargeable battery, ensuring you can clean without being tethered to a power source. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold, while its lightweight nature allows for easy maneuverability. The Mikiko Mini is also equipped with a washable filter, promoting sustainability and reducing waste over time. Key features: rechargeable battery, offers cordless convenience for hassle-free cleaning. High suction power, designed to pick up dirt and debris effectively. Lightweight and portable, easy to carry and store, perfect for on-the-go cleaning. Washable filter, eco-friendly design that allows for easy maintenance. Versatile use, suitable for keyboards, desks, and even car interiors. Number 3. Baseus Portable Mini Vacuum Cleaner. The Baseus Portable Mini Vacuum Cleaner is a powerful, compact cleaning solution that caters to the needs of tech enthusiasts and everyday users alike. Designed for efficient cleaning of keyboards, this vacuum features a robust motor that provides powerful suction, ensuring that even the smallest particles are captured. The stylish design and multiple color options make it a fashionable addition to any workspace. One of the standout features of the Baseus vacuum is its quiet operation, allowing for discreet cleaning without disturbing your workflow. It also comes with various attachments, including a brush head for dusting and a crevice tool for tight spaces. This vacuum is not just for keyboards, it can also be used on various surfaces, including shelves, furniture, and even your car, making it a versatile cleaning tool. Key features: quiet operation, designed to operate at low noise levels, ideal for office environments. Multiple attachments, includes various tools for versatile cleaning applications. Stylish design, available in multiple colors to suit your personal style. Powerful suction effectively removes dust and debris from various surfaces. Multifunctional, suitable for use on keyboards, furniture, and car interiors. Number 4. Dream T20 Mini Vacuum Cleaner. The Dream T20 Mini Vacuum Cleaner combines cutting-edge technology with ergonomic design, making it one of the best options for cleaning keyboards and other electronic devices. Its sleek, modern design is complemented by powerful suction capabilities, ensuring thorough cleaning in a compact form. The Dream T20 is equipped with a cyclone separation system that enhances its suction power and prevents clogs, making it an efficient cleaning solution. This vacuum also features a rechargeable lithium battery, allowing for extended use without needing to be plugged in. The lightweight design ensures ease of handling, and it comes with multiple attachments that make it suitable for cleaning various surfaces, not just keyboards. With the Dream T20, you can enjoy a cleaner workspace with minimal effort. Key features: cyclone separation technology enhances suction power and prevents clogs for uninterrupted cleaning. Rechargeable lithium battery offers cordless operation for convenience and flexibility. Multiple attachments, comes with specialized tools for different cleaning tasks. Lightweight and portable, easy to maneuver, making it suitable for quick clean-ups. Ergonomic design, comfortable to hold and operate for extended periods. Number 5. AOPO Mini Vacuum Cleaner. The AOPO Mini Vacuum Cleaner is an efficient, budget-friendly solution for keeping your keyboard and workspace clean. This compact vacuum is designed specifically for electronic devices, featuring a lightweight build that allows for easy handling and storage. The powerful motor ensures that dust, crumbs, and pet hair are quickly and effectively removed, making it ideal for daily use. Equipped with multiple attachments, including a brush and narrow nozzle, the AOPO Mini can tackle various cleaning challenges, from tight spaces on your keyboard to larger surfaces. Its simple one-button operation makes it user-friendly, while the stylish design ensures it looks great in any setting. This vacuum is perfect for anyone seeking an affordable yet effective cleaning solution. Key features: budget-friendly, an affordable option that doesn't compromise on quality. Lightweight and compact, easy to store and perfect for small spaces. Multiple attachments, versatile cleaning options for different surfaces. Powerful suction, effectively picks up dust and debris from keyboards and more. Simple operation, one-button design for hassle-free use. Conclusion: keeping your keyboard and workspace clean is essential for maintaining productivity and hygiene. The 5 keyboard vacuum cleaners discussed in this article: Mini USB Vacuum Cleaner, Mikiko Mini Handheld Vacuum Cleaner, Baseus Portable Mini Vacuum Cleaner, Dream T20 Mini Vacuum Cleaner, and AOPO Mini Vacuum Cleaner offer excellent solutions for effectively managing dust and debris. Each of these products is available on AliExpress, providing a range of options to suit various needs and budgets. By investing in one of these vacuum cleaners, you can ensure that your workspace remains clean, organized, and conducive to productivity.